In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video resolution on Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your Samsung phone and locate the camera app. It usually sits in your app drawer or on the home screen. Opening the camera app is your first step towards changing the video resolution. This is important because the camera settings are where you manage all your photo and video quality options. Once you have the camera app open, look for the option to switch to video mode. You can usually find this at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to activate video mode. This step is crucial because it allows you to access video-specific features, including resolution settings. Now, while in video mode, direct your attention to the resolution icon on the screen. This icon might display FHD or 4K, depending on your current settings. Tap on this icon to proceed. This action brings up the available resolution options. Adjusting these settings is key to filming in the quality you desire. At this point, you'll see several resolution choices available, such as UHD, FHD, and HD. Let's explore these options one by one. First, UHD, also known as 4K, provides the highest quality video. Choose this if you want the best possible clarity and detail in your recordings. Keep in mind, though, that 4K videos take up more storage space, so ensure you have enough memory available. Next is FHD or 1080p, which is considered a standard quality option. It's a good balance between quality and file size. Many users find this setting ideal for everyday video recording. Selecting this option ensures you maintain decent video quality without overwhelming storage demands. Finally, there's HD or 720p, which is the lowest resolution option listed here. Choose this if you need to save space on your device or if you're recording something less critical. It won't take up much memory, making it convenient for longer recordings when quality isn't the top priority. Once you've decided on the resolution that suits your needs, tap on it to confirm your choice. This will set your phone to record in the selected quality going forward. You should see a confirmation on the screen indicating your new video resolution. This confirmation is your assurance that the setting has been successfully changed. With that ready, you can now start recording videos in your preferred resolution. Simply press the record button and capture your moments as desired. Remember, changing resolutions can impact file size and clarity, so choose what best fits your situation. As you continue to use your phone for video recording, keep in mind that you can always return to these settings and adjust them as needed. Flexibility with resolution allows you to adapt to various recording scenarios, whether it's saving storage space or achieving high-quality visuals for special occasions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the video resolution on your Samsung phone. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make adjustments. Thank you for watching. Enjoy capturing your videos in the quality that best suits your needs.